So, India podcast, I think I started it just as a platform that could allow people to talk. My whole idea when I started, when I was working as a journalist, all I used to think is we cannot report or we cannot ask people the questions that we thought they should answer or their expertise in. हमें हमेशा ये लगता था कि वॉट एवर वी आर आस्किंग इज what is supposed to be asked, but we are not getting what we're supposed to be hearing people speak. तो इंडिया पॉडकास्ट अगर कोई पूछेगा क्या है, आई विल से इट्स वन एज द नेम सेज, इट्स अ पॉडकास्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. बिकॉज मेरा था कि सब कोई पॉडकास्ट करे, सब बात कर सके. फॉर मी पॉडकास्ट इज लाइक एवरीबडी शुड बी एबल टू टॉक. आई टॉक अ लॉट, बट आई सॉ दैट पीपल डोंट टॉक. दे हैव filters to their conversation. So India podcast should be a national podcast network. It should be a place where people feel like यहाँ पे आके I can talk, I can speak, I can convey, I can express, and I can talk about anything and everything. Especially things that I feel for, you know about it, because nobody's knowledge is less or more. Nothing is called limited. It is just that nobody is asking you. So India podcast is a place where you can talk, where your story is important, and where anything you talk is making sense. Yeah, that's how I look. It's a podcast for the country. I wanted India podcast to be the national podcast network. Initially, मुझे लगा it is just a platform where people will talk. But then so many podcasts are there. People are listening to everyone. There's so many famous ones in globe, in India. I think India podcast is somewhere a podcast network, a podcast media company. Like we have a news media company. I look up to companies like NDTV. It's the first of the news media companies I really got associated with. Likewise, there's no podcast media company. People have a different idea about media. Media aate hi, they think it's news, it is controversial, it is fake, made up. But I think podcast also needs to associate with the media world. Eventually, podcast is connected to communication, where media is gonna stay. So I say India Podcast is a podcast media company and the only podcast media company of the country. As we've come for last 4-5 years, I think we've come to a place where we see that this brand is not anymore just a place where we can talk, but it is a place where it will open people to express. So it is a brand of the people, by the people, for India, by India. Second, it is a brand which can help the existing media houses, even the podcast creators, there's so many, to come together and create a podcast. It can be a platform where all the podcasts can stream, because if we see someone doing a podcast, they don't have time to go and market themselves, they don't have the audience. So we want to be a brand which is able to bring important topics as a series, and we launch podcasters, we make more anchors, we allow people who have a grip on a topic, जिनको एक टॉपिक के बारे में पता है, वो खुद उसको होस्ट करके एक पॉडकास्टर बन सके. So it is evolved to be a whole network of podcasts where you can find your podcast, where you can play your podcast, where you can find your guest, where you can find your host. It is everything where you can come and talk.